Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how Epic Systems works. Epic is built in a modular way, which means different hospital departments can use different tools while still sharing information in real time. This helps doctors, nurses, and staff work together without delays because patient data and updates move across the system instantly. EpicShare is a communication portal used inside healthcare organizations. It allows staff to access company news, updates, and shared information in one place. This helps teams stay informed and improves coordination between departments so everyone is working with the same latest information. Epic Research is a tool that provides medical insights based on a large clinical network. It helps healthcare professionals study trends, improve treatments, and understand patient outcomes using real-world data collected from many sources across the healthcare system. Cosmos is a large-scale de-identified data platform used for research purposes. It collects patient information in a way that protects privacy while still allowing researchers to study patterns and improve healthcare decisions on a global level. It is often used for advanced medical studies and analytics. MyChart is the patient-facing portal where users can log in to view their health records, manage appointments, and communicate with healthcare providers. It gives patients easy access to their medical information in a secure and organized way. OpenEpic is designed for developers, vendors, and verified healthcare IT users. It provides access to tools and resources needed to build and integrate applications with Epic Systems. Showroom is a marketplace where third-party applications are displayed, helping hospitals choose and connect useful software that works with Epic. Thanks for watching.